Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Zindagi Tricky Maths. In this lecture, we will discuss some important problems on the topic simple interest. So let's start. See, in this problem, what is given? Adam borrowed some amount of money at the rate of 6% per annum for first 2 years, and interest rate for next 3 years is 9% per annum, and after 5 years it will be 14% per annum. So he paid the total interest of 11,400 at the end of 9 years. So we have to find how much amount he borrowed. Okay. So how we can solve this? So we will assume the sum. Let the sum borrowed be rupees X. Rupees X. So interest for first 2 years, interest rate is 6% per annum, and principal will be 6 rupees X. So it will be interest will be X into rate of interest, that is 6%, time is 2 years divided by 100. So this is interest for first 2 years. For next 3 years, interest rate is 9%. So interest will be X, that is principal into rate of interest is 9% into time is 3 years divided by 100. Now after 5 years, interest rate will be 14%, and total time period you can say is 9 years. So 4 years will be remaining. So for 4 years, interest rate will be 14%. So principal is X into rate of interest is 14% and time is 4 years divided by 100, and total interest given is 11,400. So solving this, we will get 6 into 12x plus 27x plus 56x divided by 100, and it will be equal to 11,400. So 95x equal to 11,400 into 100. So x we can calculate as 11,400 into 100 divided by 95. So after calculating, we will get 12,000. So sum borrowed, sum borrowed is rupees 12,000. It is 12,000. Okay, rupees 12,000. This is our answer. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem, it is given simple interest at the end of 12 and half years. So it will be 3 by 4 of the sum borrowed. So we have to find the rate of interest percent per annum. Okay. So we can assume the principal. Let principal be P. Okay. So what will be simple interest? Simple interest is 3 by 4 of principal. So 3 by 4 P. Rate of interest we have to calculate. Time is given as time T equal to 12 and half years. Or as a fraction we can write 25 by 2 years. Okay. Now rate percent can be calculated as rate equal to 100 into simple interest, that is 3 by 4p divided by principal into time, and time is 25 by 2. So this much percentage, and after calculating we will get 6%. So interest rate is 6% per annum. So rate is 6% per annum. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem it is given a sum of 1550. It is lent out in two parts. On one part, interest rate is 8% and on another part interest rate is 6%. And total annual income, that is total interest per annum, it is 106 rupees. So we have to find some length at each rate. Okay, so how much amount is given at 8% and at how much amount is given at 6%. Okay, so we will assume let the sum length at 8% be rupees x, and sum length at 6% as the total sum is 1550. So it will be rupees 1550 minus x. Okay. Now annual income, that is total interest per annum or per year, is 106. Therefore, sum of interest on both parts, that will be equal to 106. So first part interest will be principal, that is x, into rate of interest rate, time will be 1 year, divided by 100, plus second part principal is 1550 minus x, rate of interest is 6%, time is 1 year, divided by 100, and total interest will be 106. So we have to find x. So 8x plus 9300 minus 6x, and it is equal to 10600. So we will get 8x minus 6x, that is 2x, and 10,600 minus 9,300, so it is 1300. Solving for x, we will get 1300 by 2, that is 650. Okay. Therefore, sum length at 8% is rupees 650, and sum length at 6% is rupees 1550 minus 650. Okay, so it will be equal to rupees 900. We will discuss next problem. See what is given in this problem. Asmita invested amount, means principal is given as 9534 rupees. Interest rate is 4% per annum, and total amount is given 11,442 rupees after a certain period. So we have to find for how many years did she invested. Okay, so we have to find the time. So principal is given, amount is given, we can calculate the simple interest, and then we can calculate the required time. So principal is given is rupees 9534. Amount is given as rupees 11,442. So simple interest will be amount minus principal, that is rupees 11,442 minus 9534. So interest is rupees 1908. Rate of interest is given as 4% per annum. So rate is 4%. We need to find the time. Okay. Therefore, time, it will be 100 into simple interest, that is 1908, divided by principal 9534, and the rate is 4%. So this will be in years. Solving this, we will get 5 years. So our answer will be option number C. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem it is given Deepak invested sum of rupees 21,250 for 6 years. Means principal is 21,250, time is given as 6 years. So we have to find the rate of simple interest if the amount is rupees 26,350. Means amount is given, principal is given, time is given. So we need to find the rate of simple interest. So first, as principal is given, as amount is given, So we can calculate the simple interest. Then from that we can calculate rate of simple interest. Okay. So principal is given as rupees 21,250. Amount is given as rupees 26,350. So simple interest, it will be equal to amount minus principal. So 26,350 minus 21,250, and it will be equal to rupees 5,100. So this is simple interest, and total time is 6 years. Now we have to find the rate of simple interest. Therefore rate will be equal to 100 into simple interest, that is 5100, divided by principal, and principal is 21,250, and into time, and time is given as 6 years. So this will be in percentage. Calculating this we will get 4%. Okay, so 4% per annum will be the interest rate. Our answer is not there in any of the option, but one option is there, none of these, so we have to choose that option. So our answer is option B. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed some important problems on the topic simple interest. Okay, thank you.